Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a review of the Master Massage 31-inch Santana Pro portable massage table package. Whether you're a professional massage therapist or someone who enjoys at-home treatments, this portable spa bed promises comfort, durability, and versatility. Let's break down the features and see if it lives up to the hype. The Santana Master Massage Table is designed with portability in mind, weighing just 35 pounds. It's perfect for those who need a table that can be easily transported from one location to another. With double luggage-style portable closure clasps, the table folds neatly and securely for storage or travel. Its size is generous, measuring 31 inches in width and 84 inches in length, with adjustable height ranging from 24 to 34 inches, making it suitable for a wide variety of users and settings. Now, let's talk comfort. The table comes with a 3-inch cushion made of multi-layer small cell foam, topped with an additional layer of memory foam for that extra plush support. This layered cushion provides the kind of luxurious comfort you'd expect in a high-end spa, making it perfect for long sessions. The table's big top design gives you more surface area, so clients can stretch out comfortably, whether you're offering a massage or a facial. In terms of durability, the Santana table is built to last. The European beech wood legs and cinnamon-colored PU upholstery not only give it a sleek, professional look, but are also oil and water resistant, ensuring easy cleaning after each use. The upholstery is also CFC-free, making it an eco-friendly option in a world where sustainability is key. Plus, with aircraft-grade steel support cables, the table can hold up to 750 pounds, offering a strong and supportive foundation for a variety of clients. Using this table, I found the experience of setting it up and adjusting the height to be seamless. The ergonomic face cradle and memory foam face cushion provide great support for clients, ensuring comfort during face-down treatments. The included armrest and 2-pocket carrying case make it even more convenient to transport and store all the essentials. However, no product is perfect. While the Santana table is indeed comfortable and sturdy, its larger size may make it a bit bulky for tight spaces or for users who need something more compact. Also, while the table is highly durable, the upholstery might show wear over time with frequent use, though it is easy to clean. In terms of value for money, I'd say this table hits the mark. The quality materials, combined with the ergonomic design and included accessories, make it a solid investment for professionals who want a reliable, comfortable table for their clients. The 750-pound weight capacity is a huge plus, especially for those with a wider range of clients. When compared to other portable massage tables in the same price range, the Master Massage Santana Pro stands out due to its sturdy build, memory foam cushioning, and inclusive accessories. Some tables may offer similar features, but might lack the same level of support and durability, especially for more frequent or heavier use. For those looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are certainly options out there, but they might not offer the same level of comfort and professional-grade durability. If you're willing to invest a bit more, though, the Santana table's long-term reliability and added features make it well worth the cost. Now, a quick note on customer support. Master Massage has a strong reputation for providing excellent service to customers, with responsive support should you encounter any issues. In conclusion, the Master Massage Santana Pro Portable Massage Table Package is a fantastic choice for professionals in need of a reliable, comfortable, and portable massage table. Its luxurious foam padding, sturdy construction, and thoughtful accessories make it stand out in a crowded market. If you're serious about your practice and want something that combines comfort, durability, and ease of use, this table is definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful to you, please give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.